Hello, my name is Nolan.
Ireland.
Jason.
Sunny.
Today is Friday, October 24th, 2025, and this is what's happening at Brooklyn STEM Academy.
From the office, Red Ribbon Week is this week. We are celebrating with dress-up days. The first dress-up day for Monday will be Sock It to Drugs, so wear your fun, silly socks. The first club invention after school meeting is Monday, October 27th until 5 p.m.
Pre-K continued exploring sinking versus floating.
Kindergarten spent a week learning about community helpers. They took a walk around downtown to see the police department, the fire station, library, cafe, and utility building. Then they had a special visit from Officer Lex, Clayton, and Squab, and even K9 Molly. What a great week.
First grade spent the first few days of the week making crafts for Grandparents' Night. They'll still start some fun Halloween STEM activities next week. Wow, that sounds fun.
Second grade began their bat unit this week. They will learn about different types of bats and why they are so important. They started the unit by creating an art project for the hallway. Be sure and check out their bats at sunset.
The third graders are learning about force and motion. They are building simple machines with the Vex kits. This week, they built an inclined plane and a lever.
In fourth grade, we are exploring natural resources and the importance of conserving them. As part of our hands-on learning, we recycle used paper to create new paper, which we then use to make cards for Grandparents' Night. It is so exciting to share these cards with our family. We also celebrated the complete of Arthur's Island checkpoint with a pizza party. We would like to thank Mr. Scott for allowing us to have our party in the cafeteria.
Mrs. Riddle would like to send a huge congratulations to all of our 2K runners who came out on Monday. In PE class, we're working together to create a brand new PE game. Groups had to come up with the rules, expectations, points, materials, and pictures of what the game would look like. We will see how these games play out later in the school year.
In art this week, students will be bringing home order forms for art to remember. Each student created a work of art during class that their parents and family can have printed on magnets, coffee mugs, keychains, and so much more. These make great Christmas gifts for family, so be sure to check them out.
In computer science, before fall break, Pre-K learned how to code their mice around a cone. Fourth grade finished up their binary coding, and everyone else is ready to start coding on Scratch. We are all doing a great job of becoming computer scientists.
From the PTO would like to thank everyone for participating in Grandparents' Night. We had a wonderful time, and so many of our grandparents got to see what our school is all about.
Here's a message from Mrs. Tier.
We've got 4 positive office referrals for this week. We have Elliot from Miss Stribe, and Elliot is an amazing student. She works hard every day to get her assignments done. Good job, Elliot. And Avery in Ms. Dragonette's room. Avery is kind to everyone he meets. He's a hard worker and is always smiling. And Carter in Mrs. Harriman's classroom treats others with kindness and works hard in class. And Matthew was recommended by Ms. Troxel for being outstanding and following the rules. Good job, and after announcements, come down to get your books.
Joke of the week. What do you call a bow that can't be tied?
I don't know. What do you call a bow that can't be tied?
A rainbow.
Thank you for watching what's happening at Brooklyn STEM Academy. See you next week.
Bye! Good job! Good job!